Gently breathe in, gently breathe out. Gently look up, gently look down. Hand on your head, hand on your heart. Wiggle and tap. We're ready to start. Feel the sand on your toes and the fresh salty air. Hear the skimming of stones and the breeze in your hair. Splash through the waves, you're a dolphin, a whale. Steer left, then steer right, now slap down your tail. Run back to the beach, the breeze brushing your hair. Build a city of sand in the fresh salty air. Steer through the streets, you're a ship with a sail. Flow left, then flow right, now follow that trail. Play catch with a friend in the fresh salty air. Throw the ball long, the breeze tickling your hair. Steer round the flags, you're the star in this tale. Weave left, then weave right, like a storybook snail. Feel the warm summer sun and the breeze in your hair. Hear the giggles and laughs on the fresh salty air. Pick up your spade, you're a sleuth with a pail. Scoop left, then scoop right, now study that shale. Shake out your towel and pack up your pail. Say goodbye to the dolphin, the beach and the whale. Brush the sand from your toes and the salt from your hair. Sway left, then sway right, in the soft, salty air.